Whenever in the Quran Allah says Alam Tara, meaning do you not see, these verses tend to have a deeper meaning, and it feels as though Allah wants us to try and understand this deeper meaning. Today we analyze one such verse. Quran chapter 22 verse 18 says, "Do you not see that to Allah prostrates whosoever is in the heaven and whosoever is on the earth, and the sun, the moon, the stars, the mountains, the trees, the moving creatures, and many of the people." Here the Arabic word yasjudu means prostration, humility, submission. Generally, we tend to associate the word prostration with the physical act of bowing down. But let us try to keenly observe what this act of prostration could mean in this verse. The verse mentions that the sun, the moon, the stars are in constant prostration. How do the sun, the moon, the stars perform prostration? Let's find out. Science shows us that the moon is in constant orbit around the Earth. The Earth, along with our entire solar system, is constantly in orbit around the sun. The sun, along with all the stars in our Milky Way galaxy, are in constant orbit of the supermassive black hole at the center of our Milky Way galaxy. Science today proves that at the center of all galaxies is a supermassive black hole, and all the stars of the galaxy orbit around this black hole. There are billions of galaxies and trillions of stars in our universe, and if we observe the entire universe that we live in, it feels like all of it is in a constant state of tawaf around their own Kaaba. Moreover, Quran chapter 13 verse 15 says, "And unto Allah prostrates whosoever is in the heavens and on the earth, willingly or unwillingly." What does willingly or unwillingly mean? Whatever we can touch and feel, including human beings, the sun and the moon. Everything is made up of matter, and we know that atoms are the smallest unit of matter. Have you not seen the depiction of how an atom is arranged? The electrons are in constant orbit of the nucleus. So if the smallest unit of the entire physical world is in submission to Allah, thus everything willingly or unwillingly right. Now for the final fact, we also know that angels are orbiting Baitul Mamur in the seventh heaven. Baitul Mamur, that is the house of worship of the angels in the seventh universe, is right above the Kaaba in Makkah. And what is the act of submission that humans perform during the Hajj pilgrimage? Tawaf, isn't it? Which is actually a type of orbital prostration around the Kaaba. And the verse 18 is in chapter 22, that is Surah Al-Hajj. Is this all a coincidence? Or during the holy pilgrimage and during our daily prayers, are we synchronizing our submission to Allah as per how the entire universe submits to Allah? Allah knows best.